Every champion you admire, every legend you look up to, every success story that inspires you, they all have one thing in common. They started as a beginner. Nobody begins at the top. Nobody starts with mastery. Champions are not born, they are made. And they are made in the silence of hard work, in the repetition of effort, and in the persistence of showing up every single day. You may feel like you're not where you want to be in life, but if you think about every great athlete, musician, artist, entrepreneur, or leader out there, they were once in your exact position, feeling their way through the uncertainty of the unknown. Today, we're going to remind ourselves that every champion was once a beginner and use that knowledge to fuel our journey toward greatness. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. We release new videos every week to help you perform at your best and live an extraordinary life. Section 1. The humble beginning of every champion. In the realm of professional sports, few names resonate as powerfully as Michael Jordan. His dedication and achievements have cemented him as a true icon. But what many people do not know is that Michael Jordan was once just a kid who got cut from his high school basketball team. Yes, the man who went on to become the greatest basketball player of all time was once considered not good enough. Another name synonymous with excellence is Serena Williams. From the moment she held a tennis racket in her tiny hand, she displayed remarkable skill. Yet she also faced rejection early in her career. When she was just a little girl, holding a tennis racket that was far too big for her hands, she knew that she had a passion for the sport. But like any other beginner, she had to start somewhere. And for Serena, that meant practicing against the backdrop of Compton, California. The legendary bodybuilder Arnold Schwarzenegger is no exception to this rule either. When he first arrived in the United States from Austria as a young man, he was just a skinny teenager with a dream to become Mr. Olympia, the highest achievement in bodybuilding. But when he stepped into his first gym, he probably looked more like a gym rat than a future superstar. The point is simple. Greatness always starts small. Whether it's in the world of sports, entertainment, business, or personal growth, every champion began their journey with the courage to take that first step. It doesn't matter how talented you are. What truly sets champions apart is their willingness to start, to embrace the awkwardness and uncertainty of the beginning, and to persist through the challenges that lie ahead. Section 2. Embrace your own beginning. Now let's turn our attention to ourselves. How often do we hold ourselves back by fearing the beginning? Many people never start pursuing their goals because they're afraid of being a beginner, afraid of being judged, afraid of looking weak or making mistakes. But let me tell you something. Being a beginner is not a weakness. It's a stage, a stepping stone on the path to mastery. It's proof that you are brave enough to take the first step, to leave your comfort zone, and to venture into the unknown. Here's the truth. Every champion once stood exactly where you stand today at the beginning. They were once beginners just like you. So if they can do it, so can you. Don't let fear or insecurity hold you back. Embrace your beginning. Be proud that you're taking the first step toward your own greatness. Remember, the only way to become a champion is to start your journey, and that means starting from the very beginning. Imagine looking back on your life a few decades from now. Wouldn't you rather have the courage to start and the humility to learn, knowing that you gave it your all? Or would you rather regret not trying at all? The choice is yours. But remember, every great story, every success story, began with a single step. That step is the beginning, and the only way to get to the end is to start. Section 3. The power of consistency. Beginners become champions through daily discipline. It's not an overnight journey. It's not an instant transformation. It's a series of consistent actions taken day after day, week after week, month after month. Consistency is the key that unlocks the door to greatness. It's the thread that weaves together the tapestry of success. Think about the champions you admire. What do they have in common? They have dedicated their lives to their craft. They have shown up to practice when others have gone home. They have put in the reps, lifted the weights, studied the plays, rehearsed the routines, and endured the pain. They have done all of this not for fame, not for fortune, but for the sheer joy of doing what they love and the relentless pursuit of self-improvement. Progress compounds. Every workout, every practice, every rep builds the foundation of greatness. It's like building a wall. Each brick represents a step toward mastery. At first, the wall may seem shaky and unstable, but as you add more bricks, it becomes stronger and more resilient. The same is true with your skills and abilities. As you put in the reps and gain experience, you become more proficient and more confident. The early awkwardness fades away and is replaced by a sense of flow and mastery. It's easy to be discouraged when you're just getting started. It's easy to compare yourself to the finished product, to the polished and perfected version of the champion. But remember, that's just an illusion. Behind the scenes, they've put in the reps, endured the setbacks, learned from their mistakes, and paid the price. Don't be fooled by the highlight reels or the trophies or the accolades. Those are the rewards of consistency, the payoff of years of hard work and dedication. If you want to become a champion, embrace the journey. Revel in the process. Find joy in the daily grind of putting in the reps and mastering your craft. Let consistency be your guiding principle, your North Star, your constant companion on the path to greatness. Remember, it's not about being the best right now. It's about becoming the best version of yourself over time. Section 4. Lessons from the Journey of Champions. As we continue our exploration of the qualities that define champions, let's delve into 3 essential lessons that can guide us on our own journeys toward greatness. First and foremost, champions embrace failure. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's part of the journey. Champions see failure as feedback, not as finality. They learn from their setbacks and adapt their strategies accordingly. Remember, failure is not shameful. It's an opportunity to grow, to refine your approach, and to come back stronger than ever. Secondly, champions stay hungry. They never stop learning, even when they succeed. Champions maintain a voracious appetite for knowledge and self-improvement. They read books, they attend seminars, they seek out mentors. They understand that learning is a lifelong journey and that complacency is the enemy of progress. So stay hungry, never stop learning. And remember that the pursuit of knowledge is the pursuit of greatness. Finally, thirdly, champions stay humble. They remain grounded and humble throughout their journey. Champions understand that their success is not a reflection of their worth as human beings. They remember where they started, the obstacles they overcame, and the sacrifices they made. They stay connected to their roots, and they remain grateful for every step along the way. So stay humble, remember the journey, and cherish the blessings along the way. Closing. You are not too late. You are not too small. You are not unworthy. You are not beyond repair. Every champion was once a beginner, and today you have the chance to begin. Your journey may not have started the way you wanted it to. You might feel like you're behind, or that you don't have what it takes. But remember the words of the great Muhammad Ali. He said, "It's the repetition of affirmations that leads to belief. And once you believe, you can achieve." Don't wait for the perfect moment. Don't wait to feel ready. Just start. Trust the process. Believe in yourself. And remember that one day you will look back at this beginning and realize it was the first step toward your greatness. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. And if you have any comments, suggestions, or questions, please drop them below. See you next time.